ohene baako a mani aso no pa wo Akuapem mu ha ye Nana Ansah Sasraku otoso abiesa Mamfehene ono ane Akuapem Kyidomhene na beye na hene mo hwa na ye de ne ho nsɛmsɛm bi ba na orebu asukufu mofra a orekwakwotro won sohwe no na ba mumbu ye ogusu abua mofra no na no akweside ye twam nso ye ma mo hwe kakra oche mathematical sets sanitary parts ne yama ekeka ho ama school no na akoso aye bibi foforo a mentorship programs a o sha ase no ogusu mentor mofra no na wa fe na eye kra ne se mofra no ode won ko schools ni nyina mu ode won ko Mamfehene Methodist ewo Larteh Junction ho no se won sha se ncheche mofra no niam bi a wo nim a wo nye exposed to afei wo wi a ode won ko BECE enso a won science lab a ono wo use no wa ma won anya akwanya we have access to the lab niam a wo GHS a won hu bi krada no o expose won ama senior man senior be ya obedu secondary school kra na enye won bibi foforo na wo twie mu amofra no ahyase a wo resua de a wo rekọ school sta ho nim nti ye kokko try ye nhwe senior video no ko achechefo ni bi nso ne yen kasa school fu no nso ekyere won won adwen kakra efa ne anana ereye ama won no nti boma ye nhwe ne a ekoso nso wo ho
now say classes are organized my applying boya the same and nyame bi won ma ye nyama twi sanya ye be answer questions during BECE time applying so metro say what modern strategies are modern my e1 level so sanya we
afi ni kura no so den na beka chena na Mamfehene mo dia babua mo no den na beka chena na Mamfehene
ya me kan senya nsha o ma na ho den o ma no nche senya wa boy any ping na na BECE by on the when am so was am enti na nsha na da masi
Akuapem Anthony granting Akuapem the Circuit Supervisor at the Municipal Education Office, Larteh Circuit, Safro and Mamfehene. Jumedi a eposi jumedi bia we say a boa say addiction and recovery but I can say repeating it's an answer so ya simple education board no more the buy no more the buy boa addiction and me director and then Mr. Lawrence Ja and then any directors in any other mass as I may enter in Quantum also money answer that the BECE which may I the data board.
My name is Ofe Janet Abia. I'm a student of Mamfehene Methodist Junior High School.
Mamfehene Methodist, okay. So, is this your first time here?
No, this is my second.
This is your second time. So, since from the first day you came here, what have you been doing?
The first time I came here was the time that we went for the excursion. And this place was included, so we came and we went to the chemistry, the biology class, and we had a lesson there. Okay,
so today, what are you doing today?
Today we came here for practical lessons.
So, so far, what is your experience so far? What have you learned? How do you see it?
Right now, we are learning filtration. We have learned that we don't have to place the filter paper in the right position so that the water will not spill out. Okay,
so do you think this mentorship program, this whole thing you're doing, that Nana Kyidomhene is doing for the outgoing candidates, will actually help you in your upcoming BECE exams?
Yes, it will actually help us a lot because since we have our question 1 as a compulsory question and it's always a practical lesson, this thing will go away to help us in the exams.
Let's go to Nana first. What do you say to Nana Kyidomhene and Nana Ansah Sasraku? He's the one behind all these mentorship programs and he's doing so well. What do you want to tell Nana?
Okay, I'll tell the chief that we are very grateful for what he has done for us because no one will want to do this thing for us if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have been here right now. So we say God richly bless him and he should continue doing this.
Yes, for the last one, words of encouragement. I know your students, some of the pupils, they will be watching this video. So what do you want to tell them? Words of encouragement, encourage them to learn, take this serious and all that. What do you want to tell them?
I really tell them that many people have devoted their time and money on us and have brought us here today. So we should do something that will make them proud in our examination, so that they'll feel proud that they didn't waste their money and time.
Okay, so that before you go, look into the camera and promise Nana that you're talking for all the students, yourself and the other pupils. You will come out with flying colors. You won't disappoint Nana and those that actually came together to come up with this mentorship program.
Okay, Nana Ansah Sasraku the third. We, the pupils of Mamfehene Junior High School, Form 3 candidates, we promise you that we will make all the time you devoted, money and everything useful, and we won't waste it.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Nani I course so ewo honene yeda Nana Mamfehene obi de ka Nana Mamfehene yeda Nana Ansah Sasraku ase Kyidomhene nyame nhyiaw na onto nkwandam omboa no nka ho be bibia wonya mmoa ni fi no embra bebre o se Oliver Twist we always ask for more. Nana yeda wase